everyone, this is Miss Yu. Welcome back. Today we are going to continue Unit 8, Lesson 2 with grammar. Our lesson will be on page 66 of the student book and page 47 of the workbook. Now, are you ready? Let's go! Hi everyone! Now let's imagine you are going to go on a camping trip with your school. Now, can you look at the things in this picture and pick up 3 things you want to bring with you when you go camping? Me? I think I should bring bottled water so I don't get thirsty. I think I will bring camera so I can take a lot of photos. I will bring money because I want to buy presents. What about you? What things should you bring? That's a good idea.
Grammar.
Grammar. So in this grammar lessons, you are going to learn to connect the ideas with conjunction so. Now, we're gonna listen to the conversations between a boy and a girl. They are talking about the things they will bring for the camping trip. Now, let's listen.
Listen and repeat.
What do we need to bring?
We need to bring a tent so we can sleep.
Anything else?
We need to bring bottled water so we don't get thirsty.
Now let's test the conversation out. I will be the boy and you will be the girl. What do we need to bring? Anything else? Very good. Let's change the role. You will be the boy and I will be the girl. So, can you go first? We need to bring a tent so we can sleep. We need to bring bottled water so we don't get thirsty. The grammar that we are going to learn today is the conjunction with so. We use so to show a result of something. Chủ điểm ngữ pháp ngày hôm nay chúng ta sẽ học đó là liên từ so dùng để kết nối những ý tưởng lại với nhau. Thì từ so có nghĩa là vì vậy, dùng để chỉ ra kết quả của một việc gì đó. Ví dụ chúng ta có câu I had a cold, so I didn't go to school. Có nghĩa là tôi đã bị cảm, vì vậy tôi đã không đến trường được. Or we are going kayaking, so you need to bring a towel. Chúng ta sẽ đi chèo thuyền kayak, vì vậy chúng ta cần mang theo một chiếc khăn. Rất là dễ phải không các bạn? Chúng ta sẽ dùng từ so để đưa ra kết quả của một việc gì đó nha. Very good. Now let's practice more. Now let's move on the next exercise. So in this exercise, you have to match 2 halves of the sentences. We have the first half of the sentences from 1 to 6, and the order will be from A to F. Now, can you match the sentences from 1 to 6 with their sentences from A to F? Now, we have number 1. We need to bring flashlights. We should bring jackets. 3. We don't have water at their campsite. 4. We are going hiking. Number 5. You need to bring some food. Number 6. You should take a book. Now, we have sentence A. So, you should bring some bottled water. B. So, we can see at night. C. So, you need to bring some foods. And D. So, you can eat lunch. E. So, you can read at night. And F. So, we don't get cold. For example, we need to bring flashlights so we can see at night. Now, everybody, can you stop video here about 2 minutes and match the first half of the sentence with the other half of the sentence? Now, are you ready? Let's go. Now, let's check the answer with each other. We have number 2. We should bring jackets so we don't get cold. Very good. Number 3. They don't have water at the campsite, so you should bring some bottled water. 4. We are going hiking, so we need to bring some foods. 5. You need to bring some food, so you can eat lunch. And finally, you should take a book so you can read at night. Very good. Now, Miss Dung going to read the first half of the sentence and you will say the second half of the sentence. Now, are you ready? We should bring flashlights. We should bring jackets. They don't have water at the campsite. We are going hiking. You need to bring some food. You should take a book. Very good, everyone. Let's move on to the next activity. Now, everybody, in this activity, we have to look at the table and write team's answers. So can you look at the table here? How many columns are there? There are 2 columns. We have the first column is item to ring, and the second column is reasons. Right. The item to ring, attend, and the reason is to have somewhere to sleep. We need to bring pot of water so we don't get thirsty. We need to bring jackets so we don't get cold, right? We need to bring comic books because we will have something to read. We need to bring some food because we don't get hungry. And finally, we should bring money so we can buy presents. Đối với hoạt động này, các bạn sẽ hoàn thành câu trả lời của team dựa trên bảng được đưa ra và chúng ta sẽ sử dụng liên từ so để đưa ra kết quả nhé. Now, for example, should we bring a tent? Yes, we should. So we have somewhere to sleep. How about, should we bring bottled water? Should we bring jackets? Should we bring comic books? Should we bring food? Should we bring money? Now, everybody, can you stop video here about 3 minutes and try to write the team's answers? Let's go. Should we bring bottled water? Yes, we should, so we don't get thirsty. Number 3. Should we bring jackets? Yes, we should, so we don't get cold. Number 4. Should we bring comic books? Yes, we should, so we have something to read. And 5. Should we bring food? Yes, we should, so we don't get hungry. Number 6. Should we bring money? Yes, we should, so we can buy presents. Sau khi các bạn đã kiểm tra đáp án với Miss Dung thì các bạn nên nhìn lại phần spelling và phần dấu câu của chúng ta. Chúng ta có viết sai hay là viết thiếu như chữ nào hay không nhé. Now everybody, so in this activity, we are going to practice the conversation out. Can you be Jane and I will be Tim? Okay, so can you go first? Yes, we should. So we have somewhere to sleep. Yes, we should, so we don't get thirsty. Yes, we should, so we don't get cold. Yes, we should, so we have something to read. Yes, we should, so we don't get hungry. Yes, we should, so we can buy presents. Now I'm going to ask the questions and you will answer. Are you ready? Should we bring a tent? Should we bring bottled water? Should we bring jackets? Should we bring comic books? Should we bring food? Should we bring money? Very good, everyone. Workbook 10. In this lesson, you have to do 2 exercises. The first exercise is the grammar, and the second one will be the writing exercise. So in the grammar exercise, you have to match the questions with the answers. As you can see here, we have 5 questions. 1. What do we need for our camping trip? 2. Should we bring flashlight? 3. Should we bring batteries? 4. Should we bring sleeping bags? 5. What about camera? Now we have 5 answers. We can use our cell phones to take photos, so we don't need a camera. B. Yes, sure. It'll be cold at night. C. We need a tent because there isn't a hotel. D. Yes, we need them for our flashlights. E. Yes, we should bring flashlights so we can see at night. Everybody, so can you stop the video here about 2 minutes and do quickly match the questions with the answers. Finished? Number 2. Should we bring flashlights? And the answer is E. Yes, we should bring flashlights so we can see at night. 3. Should we bring batteries? The answer is D. Yes, we need them for our flashlight. And 4. Should we bring a sleeping bags? And the answer is B. Yes, sure. It'll be cold at night. And 5. What about camera? It is A. So we can use our cell phone to take photos, so we don't need a camera. Now that is good, everyone. Now let's move on to exercise B. In this exercise, Jim and John are going to go camping at our campsite. Now can you look at the note here? Write the answer and fill in the blanks. They have the note, things we need. Number 1, a tent. We have somewhere to stay. 2, sleeping bags. We don't get cold at night. Number 3, flashlights, so we can see in the dark. 4, comic books. We don't get bored. 5, bottled water. We have something to drink. Now we have 5 questions and 3 sentences. The first question is, do they need a tent? Number 2, do they need batteries? 3, do they need bottled water? 4, do they need a camera? 5, do they need comic books? Now, from question 6 to question 8, you have to answer the question by filling the blank. Đối với câu hỏi từ câu số 6 đến câu số 8, chúng ta sẽ trả lời cho câu What do they need for camping trip? For example, they need bottled water, so they have something to drink. So how about sleeping bags and flashlights? Now everybody, can you stop the video here? About 4 minutes to finish this exercise. Let's go. Let's check the answer. Question 2. Do they need batteries? Yeah, họ có cần mang theo pin không? Mình sẽ không thấy từ battery trong những thứ họ cần ha. Vậy thì đáp án sẽ là No, they don't. Number 3. Do they need bottled water? Yes, they do. Right, as you can see here, the thing number 5. Number 4. Do they need a camera? Is the camera in the list? No, right? So, no, they don't. Number 5. Do they need comic books? Do we see comics book in the list? Yes. So, yes, they do. Very good. Now, question number 7. They need sleeping bags so they don't get cold at night. Very good. Now, number 8. They need flashlights so they can see in the dark. Now everybody, let's look at the answers one more time. Writing. Fill in the table and give your own ideas. Đối với bài tập này, chúng ta sẽ sử dụng những ý tưởng riêng của chúng ta để làm bài tập này nhé. Now, imagine, tưởng tượng nha, you are going to go camping in a forest. What do we need to bring for the camping trip? Tưởng tượng chúng ta sắp được đi một chuyến cắm trại ở trong rừng. Vậy chúng ta cần phải mang theo những thứ gì cho chuyến đi này nhé? Now, we have things I need to bring. Mình phải liệt kê 3 thứ mà mình cần phải mang theo trong ô things I need to bring. We have number 1, 2, and 3. Và lên đây chúng ta sẽ đưa ra những cái lý do tại sao chúng ta sẽ mang những đồ vật đó nha. For example, number 1, I need to bring soap. I need to soap. And number 3, I need something soap. Okay. So here are the suggested answers. Và đây sẽ là đáp án gợi ý cho các bạn nhé. Things I want to bring: a tent, a camera, comic books. I need to bring a tent, so I have somewhere to sleep. 2. I need to bring a camera, so I can take photos at forest. 3. I need to bring comics books, so I have something to read. How about you? Now it's time for play games. In this game, you have to order the words to make meaningful sentences. With so, are you ready? Let's go. Read and choose the words in correct order. What do we need for our camping trip? As you can see here, what is this, everybody? It's a batteries. Yes, and we have the words batteries. Our ring for should you Flashlights. How you order the words? What's in the first word? You should bring batteries for our flashlights. Very good. Should we bring flashlights? We have the word we see should at night can. So yes, bring we flashlight. So what is the answer? Yes, we should bring flashlight so we can see at night. Very good. Let's move on. What do we need for our temperature? We have a picture of a tin here, and we have the word we, so Tuesday. Somewhere, rain should have a tin. We. What is the answer? We should bring a tent. So we have somewhere to stay. What about bottled water? We have the word something. Have bottled drink, water, drink. We too should serve. What about a bottled water? We should drink bottled water. So we have something to drink. What do we need for our camping trip? Blankets. We get served our at cold need. We night don't. Yes, the answer will be we need our blankets. So we don't get cold at night. Congratulations, we have 3 stars. It's time to say goodbye. In this lesson, you have learned about the conjunction so to show the result of something. Và đối với bài hôm nay, chúng ta đã học được liên từ so để mô tả kết quả của một việc gì đó. Now, everybody, can you practice more at home with the conjunction so? Thank you very much and see you next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.